Hey cruisers, today we're going to be learning how to tie a cleat. Today I'm going to be showing you how to tie 3 different cleats. Remember to like and subscribe for more DIY boat tips and repairs. Today we're going to be learning about 3 different types of cleats. The half wrap, the full wrap, and the multi-wrap. You're gonna have to ask yourself 2 major questions before you even think of tying anything. 1, how long will I be docked for? And 2, how thick is the rope? Right now we're using 1/2 inch thick rope and 8 inches long cleat. Cleats are not like baseball caps. They are not one size fits all. You should have a 1/16 of an inch diameter on your rope for every inch long on your cleat. The first cleat we're going to be doing is the half wrap. Have you heard of the half wrap on the new Taco Bell lunchtime menu for a limited time only?
Better grab one now.
The first thing you do on your half wrap is you loop around halfway to the far horn, and then you lasso it around towards the near horn and pull it out. But if you are trying to tie up for the night or longer and you want it to still be there in the morning, you should use a full wrap. The full wrap is where you tie it all the way around and then you lasso it the opposite way, like that. Not like this, like that. And you pull it with the cleat so that the knot does not come off. You're probably thinking to yourself, well, Sam, what if I don't have a rope thick enough or as thick as it's supposed to be? That is where the multi-wrap comes in. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna put it 3 or 4 times around, or as many as you feel comfortable. It has to be over 2 though. So then what you do is you lasso it around just like this and you pull it with the cleat, the multi-wrap. And there you have it. There's your 3 simple and easy cleats that we have just learned. And remember, like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And as always, keep cruising, Chris Craft.